Hi there, so I'm going to be showing you around our 2010 60 plate Vauxhall Astra turbo. I'll check around the bodywork and I'll set you inside and I've got any features on the way. Front left, you've got your front fog lights, daytime running lights, front right. Down the right hand side. Good tread on all the tyres. Back right quarter. Rear parking sensors. Chrome finished exhausts. Boot with boot separator. Set you inside now. Right, so inside obviously we've got 96,887 miles on the clock. Might go up slightly, but it will only be slightly. You've got your electric windows and electric mirrors. Radio, CD, aux, phone. Got a little screen there. 6-speed manual gearbox. You've got your 12-volt port and your auxiliary in. Your parking brake. Some cup holders. A little cubby hole there. Cruise control. Audio controls. Trip computer control. And then you've got your front and rear fog light controls. And then you've got your aircon here as well, aircon controls, and your CD player. Pretty much sums it up. The seats are in lovely condition. Black cloth seats. If you have any questions about the vehicle, please feel free to give us a call on 07917 033 781. This car comes with a 1 year warranty, 1 year AA breakdown cover and 1 year MOT, as well as a 35-point PDI inspection sheet. Yeah, that's been found on the website, paylessforcar.com, along with all of our other vehicles, information about the vehicle and information about the company. Hope you're well, I hope to hear from you soon, and take care, bye bye.